English step by step, present simple and continuous, step 4. So make sure you watch steps 1, 2 and 3 before you try this practice exercise. So here's the practice exercise. You have to complete the sentences using the correct form of the verb, choosing present simple or present continuous. And here are the verbs: mean, think, know, have, want, belong, be, and like. So put these verbs, and some of them are negative, into correct sentences below. Remember to change the form for the third person singular. For example, the baby something to sleep. So decide, is it present simple, present continuous, and what is the verb that you need for this sentence? So I'll leave this on the screen for 1 minute. When you've finished, well, you can write down the answers, and when you've finished, you can check out the next video in which I'll explain the answers and go through the sentences. And that'll be step 5 of this series, the last step.